attention to it, okay? I'm just having an allergic reaction to something, and I have to go to a doctor about it when we get back. What are your thoughts so far?
Long flight, a little bit tired, but happy to be here.
Alright, so we will check back in when we get to the hotel.
Hey y'all, so just walking around Paris because our hotel room isn't ready and we're trying to stay awake as long as we can, get used to the time change. So first stop was the Arc de Triomphe.
We made it to the Eiffel Tower. We've taken some pictures. Today's day 2. Actually, this is our full day 1. And we're headed to breakfast. Today we're doing a Josephine Baker tour. We're doing a bike tour tonight. Maybe go by the Eiffel Tower. Yeah.
She was 12 years old. So she already had 2 husbands. Her third husband was actually a Jewish man who changed his name. Many Jews in France have changed their names so that you don't recognize that they are Jews.
How's it going? Are you?
Going great. Watch. You haven't gotten good. You haven't gotten good. The next
Almost. Hitting the curb, everything.
This is our second day. Today we're doing a Black History of Paris tour. We're in a park right now. It's really pretty out here. There's people outside taking pictures, and there's some people running, getting their workout in for the day. Oh, there's a sign for the games here. I'll show you. This sign says Paris 2024. This palace was built in the 17th century.
You didn't know nothing about colorism somehow, and arriving to another place where you realize that you're black. And then it's been 25 years that I'm here, so I'm considered even more French than Cameroonian. So every time I go back to Cameroon, I'm considered as white.
Getting on the Alma Christina right now. Spent some time in Lyon. We've had lunch, 3 o'clock. So now we're getting ready to board the ship.
Welcome home, welcome aboard. Thank you. So we just finished a tasting at the restaurant Lyon Dakar. Additional Senegalese food. And now we're heading back to our bus to continue our tour of Lyon.
For black people to go pumpkins, so they do sweet potatoes. Making sweet potato pie wasn't easy due to the scarcity of baking. They put me on roller skates to make me taller because my character was supposed to be 12. And so eventually me...
that's it for today, and I hope this video gave you some inspiration for your next trip, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.